We gotta put this in the mailbox. Now put this one in the mailbox. I can now close it. Now I'm putting this sign up. Hey! Hey! We give them stuff and then they said that's an invitation.
We
got over the side.
What do you got?
Let me go up to the moon and the sky.
Not this one.
One up there.
But maybe a different one.
We're walking through house.
Oh my goodness, there are birds down there.
I've never been here. Those big plants. Miss Mariana, there's plants growing in a valley we never seen. Mama!
Is it true that there was some water?
Yeah. It was flooded once.
Was flooded once? Why?
Because a lot of rain came in it. You know that was a valley. And then we did it. The valley grown. The valley grown, Miss Medicinal. Hey, it's like it's a new world back here. Yeah.